Do you play games?
Sometimes on my phone.
Do you play games?
Sometimes on my phone.
What do you do on weekends?
Relax and meet friends.
What do you do on weekends?
Relax and meet friends.
Do you stay home much?
Yes, I like it quiet.
Do you stay home much?
Yes, I like it quiet.
Are you bored often?
No, I always find something.
Are you bored often?
No, I always find something.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, a smartphone.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, a smartphone.
Do you use it often?
Yes, too much.
Do you use it often?
Yes, too much.
What do you use it for?
Calls, texts, internet.
What do you use it for?
Calls, texts, internet.
Where's the hospital?
On 1 Avenue.
Where's the hospital?
On 1 Avenue.
Is there a pharmacy near?
Yes, across the street.
Is there a pharmacy near?
Yes, across the street.
Where can I eat?
Try the cafe nearby.
Where can I eat?
Try the cafe nearby.
How do I get home?
Same way you came.
How do I get home?
Same way you came.
Can you draw a map?
Sure, here you go.
Can you draw a map?
Sure, here you go.
Is this the right way?
Yes, keep going.
Is this the right way?
Yes, keep going.
Are you good at it?
I'm learning.
Are you good at it?
I'm learning.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, soccer on TV.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, soccer on TV.
Do you draw or paint?
No, I'm not artistic.
Do you draw or paint?
No, I'm not artistic.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone.
Do you travel?
When I have money.
Do you travel?
When I have money.
Where do you want to go?
To many places.
Where do you want to go?
To many places.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
Where do you shop?
At the mall.
Where do you shop?
At the mall.
What do you buy?
Clothes and books.
What do you buy?
Clothes and books.
How much is this?
It's $20.
How much is this?
It's $20.
Is it expensive?
A little expensive.
Is it expensive?
A little expensive.
Do you want a new job?
Maybe after graduation.
Do you want a new job?
Maybe after graduation.
What do you want to do?
Work in business.
What do you want to do?
Work in business.
Do you have plans?
Yes, many ideas.
Do you have plans?
Yes, many ideas.
What do you do for fun?
I read and watch movies.
What do you do for fun?
I read and watch movies.
What books do you read?
Novels and magazines.
What books do you read?
Novels and magazines.
Do you like movies?
Yes, especially comedies.
Do you like movies?
Yes, especially comedies.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Johnson.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Johnson.
Is she nice?
Yes, very helpful.
Is she nice?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you have homework?
Yes, every day.
Do you have homework?
Yes, every day.
How much homework?
About 2 hours.
How much homework?
About 2 hours.
When is your exam?
Next Friday.
When is your exam?
Next Friday.
Are you ready?
I'm studying hard.
Are you ready?
I'm studying hard.
Are you sad?
No, I'm okay.
Are you sad?
No, I'm okay.
Are you worried?
No, not really.
Are you worried?
No, not really.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes with exams.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes with exams.
How do you relax?
I listen to music.
How do you relax?
I listen to music.
Do you see a doctor?
Only when sick.
Do you see a doctor?
Only when sick.
Do you take medicine?
No, I don't need any.
Do you take medicine?
No, I don't need any.
When does it end?
Next week.
When does it end?
Next week.
Can I return this?
Yes, within 30 days.
Can I return this?
Yes, within 30 days.
Where do I pay?
At the cashier.
Where do I pay?
At the cashier.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
Where's the bus stop?
Around the corner.
Where's the bus stop?
Around the corner.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, all the time.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, all the time.
What kind of music?
Pop and rock.
What kind of music?
Pop and rock.
Do you play instruments?
No, but I want to learn.
Do you play instruments?
No, but I want to learn.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Do you dance?
A little not well.
Do you dance?
A little not well.
Do you play sports?
Yes, tennis sometimes.
Do you play sports?
Yes, tennis sometimes.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't drive.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't drive.
Can you drive?
Yes, but no car here.
Can you drive?
Yes, but no car here.
Do you take taxis?
Sometimes if it's late.
Do you take taxis?
Sometimes if it's late.
How much does it cost?
About $15.
How much does it cost?
About $15.
Is there a train station?
Yes, downtown.
Is there a train station?
Yes, downtown.
Am I lost?
No, you're close.
Am I lost?
No, you're close.
Thank you for directions.
No problem.
Thank you for directions.
No problem.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
Business and English.
What do you study?
Business and English.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes yes.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes yes.
Do you like your classes?
Yes, very much.
Do you like your classes?
Yes, very much.
Do you work?
Yes, part-time.
Do you work?
Yes, part-time.
Where do you work?
At a coffee shop.
Where do you work?
At a coffee shop.
What time do you work?
Evenings and weekends.
What time do you work?
Evenings and weekends.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's good experience.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's good experience.
How much do you earn?
Enough for expenses.
How much do you earn?
Enough for expenses.
Is your boss nice?
Yes, very understanding.
Is your boss nice?
Yes, very understanding.
How do I get there?
Go straight then left.
How do I get there?
Go straight then left.
Is it far?
Number 5 minutes.
Is it far?
Number 5 minutes.
Can you show me?
Yes, follow me.
Can you show me?
Yes, follow me.
Where's the bathroom?
Down the hall.
Where's the bathroom?
Down the hall.
Where's the nearest bank?
Next to the post office.
Where's the nearest bank?
Next to the post office.
How do I get downtown?
Take bus number 5.
How do I get downtown?
Take bus number 5.
How do you get there?
By subway.
How do you get there?
By subway.
Do you walk to school?
No, too far.
Do you walk to school?
No, too far.
Is it safe to walk?
Yes, very safe.
Is it safe to walk?
Yes, very safe.
Do you ride a bike?
No, but I want to.
Do you ride a bike?
No, but I want to.
Where can I rent one?
Near the park.
Where can I rent one?
Near the park.
Where is the library?
It's on Main Street.
Where is the library?
It's on Main Street.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, here it is.
Can I try it on?
Yes, a fitting room is there.
Can I try it on?
Yes, a fitting room is there.
Does it fit?
Yes, perfectly.
Does it fit?
Yes, perfectly.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, all cards.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, all cards.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here you are.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here you are.
Is there a sale?
Yes, 30% off.
Is there a sale?
Yes, 30% off.